Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. And on this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over where you would locate the fuse panels, or the fuses. So we have a fuse box here, your battery is right here. This is on the left side of the vehicle, driver's side. And then this is your air cleaner right here. So there's a tab here you're going to press and then be able to pull up on this lid. And then when you pull up on the lid, you'll be able to see all these fuses down here. And this gives us a listing of what the fuses do. And so it would be, if you lift off this lid and flip it over exactly over like that, that's how the fuses line up. And so it gives us a list of what they should do. This one right here should do the horn. And so if you have a question on which one to replace, we have a guide, and then we have some spare fuses that are in the top here, and we also have a fuse puller. Now if you're looking for a particular one, you'll be able to pull it out and check it to make sure that that is not blown inside there. If so, you replace it. And if you do replace your fuses, you make sure that you replace it with the same size that you took out, or that it is called for. And you can double check that with this. It tells you what's supposed to be in there. So if it was a 15, you put a 15 as well. So if it's 25, put a 25. You don't want to change the sizes, you can cause other issues. And if it continues to blow, then you're going to have to look for the short, or what the reason is of why your fuses keep blowing out. So that's the fuses and relays that are located here in the engine bay. And we have another fuse panel inside the cabin of the car. Right here in the cabin of the car, we have a fuse cover here. So you're just going to pop that cover off. There's a little indent right here where you can put your finger in, pop it off. And we have the same sheet here of information of telling us what fuse will run what. And it's literally, you just pull it off and look at it like this. And you got 7.5, 10, and just much like the ones up front, if you replace any, you make sure that you put the same size of fuse back in, and then when you're done, you'll be able to put your cover back on and close that up. And so that's the two locations of your fuses and relays on your 2016 CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.